Hi guys, this is Hemi from Grow with Hemi. I'm in Melbourne today. We are running our digital entrepreneurship program in Melbourne, and last 2 days was our business mastery workshop in Melbourne. And it was an amazing in last 2 days. I worked with a couple of people in here, and I've been like seeing their journey with me. And overall, like say that this program will continue next 4.5 months in Melbourne. So I've got Hafiz with me in here today, and let's have a quick conversation with him about his journey, what he's doing, and what he wants to do as a digital entrepreneur. So Hafiz, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Hi, my name is Hafiz. I was in Melbourne. I'm originally from Malaysia. Well, I'm working in here, in a factory, meat processing factory. So it is my long ambition to join the internet marketing or online marketing, but unfortunately I couldn't find the course that suit with me, and now fortunately I found Hemi. So after joining the mastery class for 2 days including today, it was very clear, very convincing, and I believe Hemi can help me to growth with him together, in this online marketing, and I'm looking for success in the future.
Fantastic. Thank you, Hafiz. So, guys, this digital entrepreneurship program, right? The world is moving towards to digital. We all want to become a digital entrepreneur, right? So, I'm running this program in Australia and running the same program in Bangladesh. And my mission is to create 1,000 entrepreneur by end of 2020. And to be honest, this is an amazing journey. This program, I personally look after this program, and I think I want you to become this part of this program, and let's grow together. Let's get the freedom in life. For me, entrepreneurship is all about freedom. Freedom means the financial freedom, the life freedom, and the time freedom. So I'm in here to support you. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in my program in future. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Thank you, Hafiz.
Thank you. Bye, Hemi.